Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need Wi-Fi access and a DNS address. Get those first. Once ready, open Settings and tap Wi-Fi, then the info icon next to your network. Make sure you are on the network you play Pubg on. Do not switch networks mid-change. Tap Configure DNS, change from automatic to manual, and remove existing DNS entries. This first action sets the stage. You're now ready to add the DNS that can reduce lag and improve matchmaking stability. Now add the DNS addresses. Tap Add Server and type the primary DNS exactly, for example 8, 8, 8, 8, then add a secondary like 8, 8, 4, 4 for redundancy. Once done, tap Save and wait a few seconds for the iPhone to apply settings. Make sure regular web pages load quickly. This confirms DNS is resolving. If browsing is slow, revert to automatic and try a different DNS provider. Once browsing is solid, launch Pubg and monitor connection indicators in the lobby. Finish by force quitting Pubg and reopening it so the app uses the new DNS. Check the in-game ping and play one short match to confirm improvement. If you see higher ping or disconnects, switch DNS back to automatic, then try another gaming-optimized DNS. Sometimes one provider routes better to your region. If problems persist, clear Pubg cache or reboot your iPhone and retest. This single troubleshooting tip: revert, then try a different DNS. Fixes most remaining connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.